AOD 9604 and retatrutide safe to use together for weight loss? That's a question we're hearing more and more, and the honest answer is we simply don't know because the evidence isn't there yet. These two compounds are being talked about a lot in weight loss and body composition circles right now, so let's break down what the science actually says, what the regulations say, and what you should know. AOD 9604 is a synthetic peptide fragment derived from human growth hormone. Early small-scale research suggested it might stimulate the breakdown of fat and inhibit fat storage, with preliminary data indicating it may not significantly affect blood glucose or IGF-1 levels. That sounds interesting, but those findings come from limited early-phase human studies. They are not established clinical evidence. AOD 9604 never completed the full clinical trial pathway needed for regulatory approval, and it does not hold a marketing authorization from the MHRA or the EMA. It is not an approved medicine in the UK. Retatrutide is a different compound altogether. It's an investigational triple receptor agonist targeting 3 receptors simultaneously: GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. It's currently being investigated for potential weight reduction and metabolic effects. A phase 2 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2023 did report results in participants with obesity, but retatrutide is still in phase 3 trials. It has not been approved by the MHRA or the EMA, and it is not a licensed medicine in the UK. Importantly, retatrutide should only ever be accessed through authorized clinical trials. Any product being sold online or through non-trial routes is not legitimate and could be falsified or unsafe. Now, here's where things get particularly important. There are no pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamic interaction studies for these two compounds used together. None. Any claims you see online about synergistic fat loss effects from combining them are not supported by peer-reviewed clinical evidence. We genuinely do not know how these substances interact in the human body. There's also a serious quality concern. Products sold online as AOD 9604 are frequently of unknown purity, unknown concentration, and unknown sterility, significantly increasing health risks beyond anything observed in controlled research settings. You have no way of knowing what you're actually getting. From a legal standpoint, in the UK, it is generally unlawful to advertise or supply these compounds to the public with therapeutic claims without a marketing authorization. Outside of authorized clinical trials and tightly regulated exemptions, supply to the public is not permitted under the Human Medicines Regulations 2012. So what should you actually do if you're interested in weight management? Speak to your GP or a registered healthcare professional. There are licensed, evidence-based treatments available, and a healthcare professional can help you understand what's appropriate for your individual circumstances, your health history, your options, and any risks relevant to you specifically. Please don't make decisions about unlicensed compounds without that conversation. If you've already used one of these products and you're experiencing side effects, contact your doctor promptly. If you suspect you've received a falsified or substandard product, you can report it to the MHRA through the Yellow Card scheme at yellowcard.mhra.gov.uk. To recap, AOD 9604 and retatrutide are both unlicensed investigational compounds in the UK. There is no clinical evidence supporting their combined use. Retatrutide is only legitimately available through authorized clinical trials, and products sold online carry serious quality and safety risks. Nothing in this video is personal medical advice. Please speak to a healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health. If you found this useful, leave a comment below. We'd love to know what topics you'd like us to cover next. And if you haven't already, give this video a like and subscribe to the Bolt Pharmacy channel for more straightforward, medically accurate health information.